Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to show you that how you will book a slot per PTE. So suppose if you are a pharmacist and you have qualified CAPS exam and now you want to appear for the PTE, so how you will book a slot? What is the fee for that? So I'm going to show you. So first you will write PTE in the Google, okay? And then you can click on this link, the first link. So now you can click on the book a test button. Then you will click on this button, book PTE academic. Okay. So after that, what you will do, you will select an exam center. So suppose I want to appear in Islamabad, Pakistan. So I will write Islamabad over here and search. So these are the test centers, JNS Education Islamabad, okay, and the other test centers. So suppose I want to book a slot in this one, USEFP Islamabad, okay. So suppose I am going to select a date in September, okay. Suppose 18 September, okay, and the time you will select like this, 2 p.m. suppose, and then you will click on the book button, okay. So this is basically an appointment. So now you will click on this, sign in or create full profile. Okay. So you will create an account, create my PTE account. So you will click on this. Okay. And then you will enter your details. Like suppose I'm entering my details. Okay. These are the details, suppose. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So you will create an account. It's very easy. Very easy, right? So you will select your country code, then you will enter your number. Okay. Please check this box if you would like to receive your appointment communications by SMS as well as email. Okay. So you can select if you want. And are you ready to book today without special test arrangement? So there are some options. Okay. Yes, I am ready to book and do not require special arrangements. No, I require special arrangements by the test and understand this will postpone the test booking. Okay. So yeah, this is basically your account. So click on it. and account created. So, okay. And then you will wait. So, required information is marked with a this, right? Enter information in this page. So, what language do you speak mostly at home? Okay, so suppose I'm entering Pashto. Okay, and you must bring a valid ID on the test day. If you do not have a passport, so please read the ID policy. Okay, and yeah, I have read the ID policy. If you have been asked to provide a code or reference number, enter here. Okay, and yeah, I agree. So you will click I agree. Support my visa application. I can send to the PSL send in my score to Stadia. Okay, so yeah, I agree. And how did you hear about PTE academics? So you can select one of the option like friend and family, and which country you are planning to study, work, or settle in. If you have not yet decided, please select your preferred destination. Okay, so suppose I'm entering Australia. Okay, and what best describes your current situation? So you are student in high school graduate, and student English language, university, college graduate, working full time, part time. Okay, so graduate. You can also select if you are working full time, so you can select this one. And why are you taking PTE academic? So per study or per the work visa, okay, or post study work permit, temporary or permanent residency. So I will select the permanent residency. Okay. What is your occupation sector? So I will select, suppose. So these are some of the sectors: health and social sciences, okay, retail trade and the other, okay. So there are many. So you can choose according to your profession, okay. So next, okay. So this is basically the whole requirements and the policy, okay, and then agree, okay. So the fee is basically 215 US dollars. Okay. So you will pay that fee and proceed to check out. So this is basically the whole method and how you will pay. So you will enter your card details over here and you will pay the fee 215 US dollars, and then you will be able to book a slot. Thank you so much.